Yeah, today we are going to be putting our third set of halos on the Golf. But the other thing, I don't know if you can see it, is our boost pipes. So we're going to change the look, go a bit more stealth, I think, on the Golf. That looks cool. Check that out. Wow. We've got our HIDs in there. The whole ballast is connected up, as you can see, nice and neat there. It is an end of an era. That looks absolutely sweet. What is up, guys? Hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, today we are going to be putting our third set of halos on the Golf, or angel eyes, should I call them. First set was rubbish. You know, they were plastic. Second set had a little bump which cracked them. So this is the third set. You know what I mean? In what, 3 years or something? So yeah, there was actually a deal on eBay where I got them cheap. They were about 140 quid or something I got them for. So I just thought, why not change the whole look of the Golf? Because I have been kind of contemplating on what to do with the whole look of the Golf. There's certain things I don't like, which I'll explain in a second, yeah? But the other thing, I don't know if you can see it, is our boost pipes. So we're going to change the look, go a bit more stealth, I think, on the Golf. But I'll go through that with you guys now and show you what my plan is. So yeah, my plan is obviously change the boost pipes, so that's all nice and stealth. I would like to paint the intercooler, but I won't, because efficiency, it affects the efficiency by, I don't know, 10% or 15% or something. So I'm not going to paint the intercooler. I'll leave the intercooler as it is. The emblem, guys, I am thinking of going gold to tie that into the wheels. So my plan is, I'm actually going to be refurbing the wheels at some point soon. So I'm thinking of going gold again on the wheels, maybe a slightly different gold. But I'm also going to go gold on the calipers, yeah? And gold on the emblem. Gold, black will be the new theme. I'm not going to change the engine bay, because my whole theme on this car has always been green and black. So I think I'm going to try and go gold and black rather. So yeah, that's my plan. But yeah, that's what we've got today, guys. I'm going to unbox this and show you guys what we're going to do with this. Same as the last ones, depot or depot, whatever you call them, halos or angel eyes, as some people call them. These are glass as well, which is nice because it means they don't fade, they don't deteriorate like the originals. The originals are glass as well. So yeah, that'll be, you know, a better option than the plastic ones. Yeah, that's it, guys. Boost pipes, as I mentioned, in black. Civic, might as well give you guys a little update. Just taken the cover off, you know, not done anything with the Civic in the past, I don't know how many months. There was a bit of a fuel problem, which I did fix off camera, or I didn't film rather, should I say, where it was leaking fuel very badly. So I managed to sort that out. But yeah, I took the cover off. It was drawing moisture into the bloody car, you know. So that's why all the windows, sunroof, everything's open. I have got some fresh rubber Toyo TR1s again on the Civic, because they're cheap and cheerful. Why not? You know what I mean? It's not some dragster or track car. And I have got some coilovers that will be going on there soon, which I've already bought. Yellow speed coilovers, actually. So yeah, that will be in the future. But today, let's jump on that and start getting that sorted, guys. Right, let's get started. Those four out. Right. Next side. Roll off. bumper. Oh. So now we just need to take them two off, and that's it. Alright, that's one of them out with the HID that I did a couple of years ago. Right, that's those out, guys. Next I'll do the boost pipes. Take them off, swap them over. If you look, I've got twin clamps on there. One is basically to hold it on, the other one is because the bumper actually leans on the intercooler. I've put another clamp there so it doesn't eat through my pipes. It's just the way this intercooler had to be fitted is, unless you put a bottom bracket, but as you can see, look how solid it is anyway. But when that bumper leans on there, it's kind of, well, it's been like that since 2016, so it's been fine. So yeah, we'll change those out, guys, and then put our new lights back in. Right, that is off, and I mean, look at what that looks like. You know, that's the side that's, you know, exposed to the sun, and look how they've all faded. Now this pipe is actually, now this pipe is actually thicker, you know, than this here. This one's a lot more flimsier, so I'm hoping that will be okay. Looked for oil, no oil in there, which is a good sign. You know, when you see oil in there, then you know you've got turbo problems. So yeah, we're gonna obviously have to try and trim this as well, because if you look, it's a bit bigger. So yeah, I'll trim those and get, you know, both of those replaced, and then we can go back onto the lights. Right, guys, there we are. Our boost pipes are now on, as you can see. We are going stealth. Don't know how that's gonna look compared to the green, but I think it's a bit more grown up with these black boost pipes on there. I had to trim the whole bumper all over again because the other pipes were slightly wider. So I've been trimming, as you can see, all these plastic filings. But I've got it perfect, which you guys will see, you know, once we put it back on after the lights. But yeah, that's how that looks for now, guys. We will get on with unboxing our depot lights and checking them out and then installing them. Guys, it is the next day. As you can see, it's a very windy day today, so the mic actually might be sounding a bit weird today, which I do apologize in advance. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna open up these depot or depot lights. Now I know they don't come with bulbs, guys. Whoa, look at that. Wow, they don't come with bulbs, so I've got a whole bunch of bulbs in here, if you can see. Packaged well, at least they're all intact. Wow, that looks cool. Check that out. Wow. Right, guys, I'm gonna actually decide to run my HIDs, because I've noticed these guys are actually quite clever, these depot lights. They've actually left a section for running HIDs, and if you look there, there's an actual circle thing there that represents where your HID grommet goes into. So I may as well run my HIDs. On the last lights I didn't run HIDs and they weren't that great, so I'm happy I can keep my HIDs. How many times have I said HID? Like 1,000 times? Yeah, anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna drill those out obviously, and then we can just get the harness through there. And yeah, thought I'll let you guys know that. one down, one to go. Nice. Right, guys, I thought I'd mention this, but it's taken me a good hour or so to set these up to HID. And another thing which I didn't do on my last ones was, if you look at these lights, they have a height adjustment motor thing in the original VW lights, but when you buy these ones, they just come with that blank in place. So I've taken out the blank from there and put it in my old lights, and I've actually kept the motor. So it was a bit of a pain because I had to loosen that screw to lift that other piece to come up so I could connect these and then screw it back down and then click it back in. But at least our new lights will have height adjustment. I think there's like 3 or 4 levels in the car. And then I've obviously done our grommet for our HIDs, which you can see on there. So all I need to do is put my HID in there, shut it, and then that's it basically. But I thought I'll mention that because if you do buy these, make sure obviously you've got your motors, because they don't come with everything's complete. I just wanted to kind of show you guys the setup. So we've got our HIDs in there. The whole ballast is connected up, as you can see, nice and neat there. Looks factory, to be honest. We've got our cable as well. Now this cable's weird because it looks like that only connects to there. I don't know what that's supposed to be, because on that other side there is this that connects in, so I don't know if it only needs one to work. But yeah, so that one's also done. There's a relay on here somewhere there, yeah, and we've also got our positive and negative, which just needs to go to the battery. So it looks pretty straightforward, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'll get that fitted. Look at the wind, guys, jeez. We'll get that fitted right away and then just test it and see. Hopefully it works. Right, the in, guys, just having a look. Yeah, that looks nice. Really like those. I'll kind of show you what I did with my wiring. So I took that out, got my positive into there, obviously, you know, just cable tied them there, and my negative into there, got them down there, and then they run under there and then round. So what I'm gonna do is accumulate and put all the relay and everything in here, because it's all empty space in here. You know, usually there's the air duct or whatever, but my car doesn't have that, so I'm just gonna chuck all that in there. The ballasts, obviously I'm gonna try and get that one in there with the canceller as well, and on that side I've just screwed those in temporary just so they don't go anywhere. I'm gonna have to find a better solution for that, but we'll give it a test, see how it looks. Right, a quick test, guys, quick test. Oh, we have got our halos. Let's see if that's on. Yay! Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. That looks sweet. Nice one. Right, I'll get our grill back on, bumper back on, tidy our wiring, and we'll see the finished product. And we're all done, guys. I am not gonna lie, it is an end of an era. This badge is what actually made me build this car, you know, with the certain colors it's had over the past couple of years and stuff. So yeah, it's getting a whole new look. I'm actually not gonna put anything there until I get the revised one in gold, once I refurb the wheels and all that stuff. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys our finished product. All our wiring is obviously, you know, just cable tied under there. Goes into here, as I mentioned before, and you can't even see it, it's all hidden away in there. just better, you know what I mean, nice and clean. So yeah, I will, you know, later on put these lights on and show you what it looks like at night. As for now, Golf looks rather plain, you know what I mean, looks a lot more stealth or grown up, if you want to call it that, till we have our nice gold emblem. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'll definitely throw a little video at the end with what the lights look like tonight. So yeah, anyway, take it easy guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys again soon. Oh, look at that beam. Lovely. That looks absolutely sweet. I don't even think it's doing it justice, you know, guys. I really don't think it's doing